Hey guys, what's up? So today I got a update on my Galaxy Ultra. April update come out. Camera seems to improve a little bit more. As you can see, still jump a little bit, but it comes far away. It's really better with this. So this is not gonna be a long video. It's just to see the update and what it does. So let's go back to actually do the videos that I did previously and see. So I got my messy toolbox right here. Let's get the heater drill and put it back right there. See if we can confuse that again. Let's see what it do. Got my Lysol right here. Got an extra mask right here. But the camera is much better. It's probably like 90% fixed, I would say. And let's go outside now. Let's go to this pole right here. So try to focus on the pole. It's not focusing on the pole, it's focusing on the cars behind. Let's see if I can catch the pole, get a micro shot right here. So that's not coming into focus, as you see. Okay, now it got into focus. And the car, so it got the pole on the car. I mean, it's not 100%, but I can work with that. Got another car right here. See how long it takes to focus. There you go. You catch it and it don't go back and forth. Remember this cone right here. The cone is out of focus. What the background is. The cone now in focus and the background out of focus. So as you can see, go down on the ground, come back up to the pole, to the cone I should say. So is the April update do any good? I guess you can say yes. It's better than the the previous update. So let's go again and go down on the rim right here. The Kia sign, see what you see. It take a while to get in focus, but it's better. Alright, thank you guys for love and support. Peace out. Oh, I have one more thing about my car. They tell me to do a follow-up video on my brakes. So I'm gonna do a follow-up video on the brakes. Let's see, it's not even focusing in there. Let's see what it do. When boom, it's finding. So we're gonna do a follow-up video on my brakes. So if you guys want, you can leave like a leave in the comment what should I do, what should I say in the video, because I'm not really good at following up videos on the brakes. So let me know. Peace out.